Well, it's time for an overdue shoe review. We're talking about is the Speedgoat 4 by Hoka. The Speedgoat Carl Menzies helped design this, and is named after him. He's one of the most prolific 100-mile winners there's ever been. Now, one of the things I did notice about this shoe right off the bat is what I did notice. There's not a whole bunch of a rocker effect from this, and I was expecting a lot more. This is my first rocker pair of shoes. And this is an aggressive rocker, so it's barely detectable, which is really, really good. Now, specifics about the shoe: this is a gold fuchsia and black iris. The colors are pretty outstanding. They'll get you noticed. And it kind of is reminiscent of the original Hoka color schemes when they first came out. I like this a lot, so I guess one man's ceiling is another man's floor. It has a 4mm heel drop, which is pretty average. The rear foot is moderate. I'm a plantar fascia patient, and I was concerned about this because I want a really strong rear foot, but I've worn this shoe for 6 months without a bit of problems. There's no problems except the orthotics are designed for them. The sole cush is just out of this world. Now, initially the lacing pattern was a bit cumbersome. It's not a speed lacing system. All I had to do was undo the last eyelet and it worked perfectly fine. It didn't bind up at all. Now, as far as durability of the sole, it's a vibrant sole. It should last. It's an ultra distance shoe. I would imagine this going forever. Now, the grip is designed for trails. It's not an indoor grip, and it can kind of catch you up on carpet. So for my older patients, I would not recommend this model, but they have plenty of other models that would do well for a rocker bottom. You know my motto: if you don't get excited about putting your shoes on in the morning, don't do it. Now, below I'm going to list the 2 locations to get these shoes. Probably the best selection is at Goodman Shoes. That's where these came from. Right around the corner, and dealing more for runners, is Athletic Annex. And no, I did not get these shoes to match my coat. I'm Dr. Leibovitz, your Central Indiana go-to foot doc.